Welcome back to GetUp Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to create a desktop shortcut for Task Manager on Windows 11 PC. For this, first right click on the free space on the desktop and select here New and then Shortcut option. In the location box, type Task MGR and then click on this one Next button. Name it Task Manager and then click on this one Finish button. This will create a desktop shortcut for Task Manager. In case you want to pin it to taskbar, select it and drag it to the taskbar. When you see link, just lift your finger from the mouse and it will sit on the taskbar. When you want to open it, just click on this one Task Manager and it will open Task Manager on your Windows 11 PC.